It's me again. Wanted to do a little update, quick update before I cover stuff up. So yeah, I got the diff back in, front bracket on. Everything's tightened up. Oh, not the front. I still got to put the skid plate on, so I haven't tightened that one. But I mean, look at that space in there. I've heard people having issues trying to do oil pan gasket. There ain't gonna be no issue doing oil pan gasket now. One vacuum line going way up there, ran it through that hole in that problem bracket. Yeah, that one's the one I haven't tightened up because I got to put a skid plate on. Yeah, looks pretty good. Pretty beefy. Oh, the sway bars, I flipped that. I gotta tighten that up too, but I'm waiting to get everything on before I do it. That way it's easier to move around. Well, alrighty. Give you an update again in a little while. Later.